Hello, YouTube. Statchhunter75 here with Super Bowl break. Looks like we're Jimmy G hunting. 2014 Topps Chrome, second box. I liked this product the first time I got it, so giving it a round two. So we'll see how we do. You know, it's one rookie autograph, Topps Chrome football 2014, one rookie autograph per box. So it doesn't say on average either, so it better be guaranteed Topps. Let's see. Box is a little dinged up. Hopefully the CADs didn't take any damage. The CADs. Let's see, that's where the box was dinged. Ooh, if anything, these packs right here are going to be the ones with the damage. We're going to open those first and check those out. If so, I will be so pissed. And this person, the seller, will get my feedback. Because I did buy this on eBay, and it's all caught on camera. So, great thing about video and everything. Let's see. This is the side with the damage. So this is the side we're going to open for all of the world to see. Right now, the Super Bowl is tied up, 10-10. Jimmy G and Patty Mahomes all tied up. Both are playing pretty good. Doesn't appear to be too damaged. So far, so good. All right, we got a Logan Thomas rookie here. Johnny Manziel, he was like the big rookie back in the day, I thought. Or Manziel. I wonder what the hell ever happened of him. Got swept under the rug, I guess. Oh, whoops. Let's stick with the damage zone over here. Make sure that this is all okay. Oh, we get a red right off the bat. Cody Latimer, wide receiver rookie for the Broncos. Let's have a Jimmy G. Oh, it's a rookie too, but it's not Jimmy G, but I skipped the second card. Oh, Jadeveon Clowney. He was a big rookie on the cover of one of the boxes too. And Cody Hoffman for the Redskins is our like red. Is this numbered? Yeah, it's numbered to 399. And Cody Latimer was the other base rookie. So far going okay. How's everyone's Super Bowl night? Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Super Bowl, all your festivities. I'm home sick with my kids. Feeling like crap. Anyway, we got another Mariana Grace, and we got a refractor here. Here to Sir. Be a Jimmy G, come on. Nope. It's this guy. 3 rookies in that pack, not bad. These cards all have a wicked curve to them. I wonder if PSA or Beckett like take off on that. I'm sure when you put them in the top loader, it straightens them out a little bit after a while. I would hope. Got a die cut in here. So we got a Darqueze Dennard. Where did they get these names? Brandon Cooks. Had him on the Pats for a while, so that's his die cut. The Saints. Roddy White. Roddy Piper. Troy Polamalu. I can never say his name. It's always a tongue twister. Polamalu. I'm not a Steelers fan. I know he's good, but... Oh, I just want my voice back. Ryan Shazier. Robert Heron. Is that a refractor? No. Green Craig Lotston. And a Jay Cutler. What's the green number 2? Anything? Nothing. Joe Buck. Starting the second half of the Super Bowl, everyone. Damian Williams. Xavier Grimble. And Jimmy G. Ugh. Robert Herron. No Jimmy G. Jordan Cameron. Bishop. Sankey. Jeremy Hill numbered right on the card. To pretty cool Pulsar, a little mini card. 3 of 50, a nice low number. That's different. Okay. That wraps up that pack. I was so pissed. I went to a local card show today. Just wanted to buy a couple of Crown Royale boxes. They were selling for like 150, 175 a box. And guy had a case. I got there early. And this guy got there just in before me, to my regular guy that always hooks me up with good deals. And he bought the whole case. I went to grab 2 boxes. He was like, no, I'm buying the whole case. This old Greek dude. I wanted to punch him. I was so pissed. Oh my God, I was so aggravated. Because guess what? He opened the case there, right on the spot. Just to rub salt in the wound, I guess. I don't know. And he pulled a Zion, a freaking Zion Silhouette Auto Redemption. And he got a Kaboom RJ Barrett case hit. Oh my God, I was sick to my stomach. Because yes, I know I wasn't going to buy the whole case, but one of those lucky boxes could have been mine. I could have grabbed one of those suckers. But no, my luck was blocked this morning due to that asshole, greedy bastard. Anyway, what am I going to say? I would have did the same, bro. No, I wouldn't have bought a whole case. No way. Anyway. Those be the breaks. And our auto is Marion Grice. I don't know if he's any good. Appears to be an on-card auto. So, haven't heard much about him. Oh, and we got the GOAT. Look at that. Haven't heard much about Marion Grice, so I'm not sure if he's any good. I'm sure someone will let me know in the comments. My luck, he probably sucks. So we got a George Atkinson, Josh Huff, Jordan Matthews, refractor rookie. That stinks. No Jimmy G. Von Miller. Please bear with me as I'm dying over here. Marcus Robertson. Josh Huff. That's a different kind of card. Weird how they did these die cut like cards this year. Des Bryant. CJ Spiller. Not gonna say his name. Jeff James. Ahmad Dixon. Another refractor rookie, not Garoppolo. Heartbreaking. Get a lot of good rookies in these, but is Topps Chrome still doing football, I wonder? Or has Panini knocked them out of the business? Leave me a comment, let me know. Larry Fitzgerald. I'd like to get the Garoppolo with this throwback card. I've seen it. It's pretty cool. Unfortunately, I can't get it for some reason. Drew Brees. Still a lot of packs left to go. I mean, these boxes, you definitely get your money's worth. Terrence West, Jared, yeah. And our Pulsar is Jalen Saunders. That would have been cool to get a Jimmy G like that too. Taj Boyd. Aaron Murray. Marion Grease. I keep getting this guy. He was my auto, and he's my refractor rookie. Luke Kuechly. Brandon Coleman. Won't be a Jimmy G refractor. Dree Archer. Pierre Desser. Fudge. Ryan Matthews. Sammy Watkins. Fantasy Focus, Peyton Manning. It's pretty cool. Chicken parm, you taste so good. Cecil Shorts. And the jerk brother who robbed my team. Jordan Matthews. Terrence West. This asshole. Matt Ryan. Derek Carr. I know that's a good rookie. Hopefully this blue one. Jace Amaro. Hopefully this is a nice one. Jordan Lynch. Why couldn't it have been Jimmy G? Not numbered. Matthew Stafford. I'll finish this break and get back to the Super Bowl. I don't really care. My team's not in it. Step on to it. Another refractor rookie that's not Garoppolo. Damn it. Got about 4 packs left. Tyler Gaffney, rookie. Jadeveon Clowney. Adrian Peterson. Russell Wilson. Cody Hoffman. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. It's not an auto, but it's beautiful. Yes. Patriots beauty on the right team. Yes. We went Jimmy G Hunt. What a Super Bowl. And we got him. Maybe he'll win too. And Peyton. I'll keep Peyton. I have no bad will against him. Even though he's not the GOAT and Brady is, but still, he's a heck of a quarterback. I'll give him that. Anyone who says he's better than Brady is smoking some serious stuff. But Devontae Adams, A.J. McCarron, Ryan Shazier, Frank Gore. All right. Last pack. Last pack mojo, everybody. What do you think? Last pack mojo? Huh? Go last pack mojo. Teddy Bridgewater. Fantasy Focus, Marshawn Lynch. Not really last pack mojo at all. But we did get the one card that I wanted. I mean, it would have been nice if it was a refractor, but that's sweet. It's still a chrome. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey guys, thumbs up for getting the Jimmy G. Like and subscribe. Enjoy your Super Bowl. Get this downloaded quick so you have something to watch after the big game. Go Jimmy G. Even though I like Patty Mahomes too, don't get me wrong, but I'm rooting for Jimmy G because he's a former Patriot. So, enjoy your Super Bowl evening. Have a good night, guys.